We had a little issue with our electric fence tester. The wire came loose on the battery connector back here because I bought this thing off of Amazon. It was pretty cheap compared to, I think it's like $100 plus for like a brand you would buy in the store around here, like Gallagher or something like that. And so went on Amazon, bought one of the cheap ones there. You're supposed to be able to connect the battery into it, and then it's supposed to shut itself off. But what I was finding is it wasn't shutting itself off, and it was running the battery down. And so what I was doing is just connecting and disconnecting the battery when I would need it, that sort of thing. Well, all that disconnecting of the battery caused one of the wires to come loose in the connector for the battery. And so what we did, and this is kind of after the fact, apologize, you didn't get to get in on the actual activity, but what we did is we soldered, first time to solder ever, so we'll take what we get here. But we soldered the wire back onto the connector, and then we put a switch in right here on the side. And what this is a switch off of some toy that was bought years ago that I just hung on to, and it doesn't turn on. It just, you push it down, it's on. When you let go, it's off. It's like one of those toys in the store, try me out, and you push the button. So we put this little switch on the side, and so now you can turn it on, hook it onto the wire, and you have to hold your finger onto it and get a reading, and then when you let go, it turns it off. But a little bit of farm innovation here to keep the equipment running. All right, we're going to test out the new switch. Yep, 9.8, 9.9, that's 10,000 volts.